Hi, thanks for watching. Today some more turning from me, and I'm sorry I haven't done any myself for ages, but the turner's been busy. And as he's cutting up that huge beautiful sycamore tree at the moment, and British sycamore is a lot like maple actually, very similar, even weighs about the same as rock maple, so it's a lovely wood, lovely traces in it. And it's a happenstance thing, you know. A piece of wet wood comes along, it's soaking wet at the moment, it will crack and split if I leave it for any length of time. So I want to get it mounted up and make a start on it. So let's go in the shed. Now this blank is a tiny bit over 12 inches. It's still in the rough, but at its widest point it's a tiny bit over 12 inch. I'm going to use the Supernova chuck from Technotool International. It's a great chuck. I've used it for lots of different projects. Very versatile as well, actually can do all kinds of things. And I'm going to start off using the faceplate ring. I'll keep these things in an old tobacco tin. Keep them nice and safe and free of rust as well. I'm going to use this faceplate ring, screw it onto the front and use that to hold it onto the chuck. Let's pop certain things out of harm's way and have a look at this. So how wide is this now? I should know by now, but I always forget. That's pretty much cock on 3 inches. So I'll draw a circle a tiny bit over 3 inches diameter. So that's 1.5 inches on the old ruler there, just a tiny bit over. And then I can align it to the inside of that circle. The turner has already made a spot there for me in the centre. This, as I say, is the fun of wood turning when you work with green wood. Because when you actually get the wood green, you've pretty much got to get started on it, well, within a few days really. This could probably have waited another day, but I'd like to get it done because it's lovely wood. I'd like to kind of have it so the patterning is the actual real pattern. That's slipped a bit. So the patterning is the actual real pattern of the grain in the wood, rather than patches because it's been rotting. Well, that's not terribly accurate, but wood turning is very far from an exact science. Okay, that fits very neatly into that. I can just see, I have to turn it round so I can see what the light's doing. Yeah, that sits nicely in there. Let's get some screws in. Let's get this mounted on the lathe. First of all though, before I do that, I'm going to put some of this on, 3-in-1 oil. It's really good stuff. I don't usually mention this, well, I use it all the time, but I haven't mentioned it in the past because I didn't think anybody knew it in USA or Canada. But apparently it's quite big over there. Maybe it's a different package, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below because I'd be interested. So thanks for watching. There we've got another one, a nice bowl blank that will be ready in a good few months, maybe even a year from now. You never know. It shouldn't warp, it shouldn't split. It's about an inch thick around the rim. It goes up to about 1.5 inches actually when we go down underneath there, but I've got a nasty habit of slicing through that when I'm returning them, so I've left that nice and thick. Shouldn't be a problem. Lovely bit of sycamore there, and I can see a lovely mapley grain to it as well, and it's got a nice knot which is going to make a good feature. So I'll say it again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be along with some more, and the turner is busy, so there'll be plenty of turning videos on the channel in the very near future. Take it easy.